This is the camping chair. It's a double camping chair. We call it a camping couch. And here's my son-in-law. He's just going to take it out of the bag and set it up. Everything's assembled. This is straight out of the box. The bag fits it very well. It was easy to put back in. It's rugged. You'll see in a second that the chair is well padded. It's not just a sheet of fabric that you're sitting on. It's nice and padded, and it's plenty big for two people.
Just sitting here enjoying the river and this gorgeous view. And the little besties. Wink. Bing. Hi. Bee. 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 Hello, Bean.